Okay, this is the speaking test of spoken English batch number 113. And I am your examiner. I will conduct your speaking test. Are you ready for starting your test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, firstly, could you tell me what's your full name, please?
My full name is Fatima Nuria. You can call me Nuria.
Okay, Nuria, how the spelling of your name?
N-U-R-I-Y-A.
N-U-R-I-Y-A. Nuria. Okay, yes. Nuria, where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. I live in Hobbiganj Shodor, which is located under Crave Education.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Do you like to visit new places?
Yes, I really enjoying visiting new places. I love exploring a new culture, learning about new places.
Got it. Thank you. Do you like to visit? Sorry. How often do you go outside your home?
As a student, I need to go outside every day because I have a class. I attend my class. That's why I have to go every day.
Okay. What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is Silet Tree Garden in my city because these places are full of natural beauty, and also their tree is most yummy. That's why it's
got it. Thank you. Do you like to go to park or shopping malls?
I like both. It's only depend of my mood. When I have need to buy anything, that's why at that time I go to shopping. And when I have to free time spending myself, that time I go to park.
Got it. Thank you. Move on speaking part 2, and in speaking part 2, I'm going to give you a topic. You will have 1 minute for speaking about it. Okay. Your topic is describe your best friend.
Now I'm going to talk about my best friend. Who is she? She is my best friend. Her name is Sadia Akhtar. Her age around 20 years old, and she is a student. And we studying at Vrindavan Govt College. She is my most trustable person, and I love her so much. She helps me my every difficult situation, and also I share her share with all my things. And when I have any difficult problem, I share her, and she always solve this.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Your time is up. Thank you for speaking about part 2. Move on speaking part 3. And in speaking part 3, I'm going to ask you some questions again. Why do people need friends?
People need friends by supporting and helping each other, and they are attach each other.
Okay. And do you have many friends?
No, I have not a lot of friends. I have one friend, and she is my most trustable friend, and she is my best friend.
How can friends help each other?
Friends help by financial support and mental support.
Very good.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you. What qualities make a good friend?
A good friend firstly have to loyalty and trusty. Also, each other good bonding. That's it.
Outstanding. Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. And here is ended your speaking test. And wish you good luck.